Hey everyone, it's Sue, the Reluctant Chef, and today I want to introduce to you our newest power tool. This is the Flex Plus, which will be available in September, and it is a 3-in-1 tool. It has a processor here, which I am currently in the process of grating some carrots for carrot cake. It has a slicing blade as well, and then of course your chopping blade if you're making salsa, etc. It is battery operated, so this section right here has a detachable battery. Not only that, but the battery has a power charger, just like your power drill, so that you can have one battery charging while you're using your next battery. You just simply click it into place, add your battery to the top, and you're ready to roll. You'll notice here that the lights came on, letting us know that we're ready to go. You can also use it with the attachment so that it has beaters, and we have dual whisks that you can use if you're making whipped cream, or we're gonna make cream cheese frosting in a little bit to go with our carrot cake, so we'll be using the beaters that go with that. That is the same battery charge there, and then you can also use it as an immersion blender. So I'm pretty excited about this. We can be cooking in our new enameled cast iron skillets. We could be making roasted soups, and then you can blend it right inside. You can blend inside your cup as well if you're trying to make like homemade mayonnaise or salad dressings, like the avocado green goddess salad dressing. There's so much you can do with an immersion blender. I'm so excited. So let's just get going. I want to tell you a couple quick tips. There's a safety trigger right here, whether you're using it like a beater or a blender, that you need to turn on first. Then there's a power button for start and stop, and then speed. So we're gonna hold the safety, turn the speed on, and we're gonna turn the speed all the way up to the fastest speed because we're doing carrots, they're kind of hard. And we're gonna go ahead and put our carrots in. We need to do 3 cups of carrots, so pretty cool. Nice, so let me take this off and let me show you my carrots. Look at this. Look at that. Think about coleslaw, how fast you can grate up some coleslaw, or sliced zucchini for zucchini bed, grate carrot or cheese, all kinds of fast things. And you're cordless, so you can move about the kitchen. Excellent. So stay tuned. Don't forget, we're going to be doing a last chance first glance. We're going to get to see all the new products that are coming out that you don't want to miss. So if you haven't joined my last chance first glance party, make sure you go ahead and do that.